All right, another coin out of Grandpa Ware's collection, Republic of Panama, 20 Balboas. Oh, all right. So you put a little newspaper article in here with it. Let's check that out. The biggest silver coin in the world, probably at the time. We got this, February 1st, 1974, certificate of authenticity. And look at this big thing. Simon Bolivar. And I'm not going to take it out of the coin protector because it's probably been in there for, well, definitely longer than I've been alive. But check it out just to see the condition. If the case has a little crack or something. But it's about as shiny as a mirror. And I don't know what 20 Balboas is, but there you go.